Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all of my favorite ways to make a house feel super cozy. So when I think of a cozy home, I think warm, comfortable, homey, something that really gets all your senses going, like your sense of touch, smell, even taste. So I'm going to show you guys all the different ways that I implement coziness into my house through home decor and show you guys what a difference it can make. So one unique thing I like to do to add coziness into my house is have freshly baked cookies out on display on my countertop. So this makes my kitchen feel really cozy. It makes the house feel inviting and welcoming. Just having little snacks on the counter for people to snack on and having them displayed on this really pretty glass cake display. I just think it makes the kitchen look so special. It obviously makes the house smell good, and I just think that sweets make people happy. So I think this is such a nice thing to add into your kitchen, into your routine. Just doing a little baking on the weekend and then putting it on display makes all the difference. Another thing I always recommend doing to add that coziness into your home is putting down a thick shag area rug. And these make all the difference, especially in a bedroom, living room, or family room. They really get your senses going. Just having your feet on a soft surface that's thick and plush makes the room feel so cozy and comfortable. We always have guests telling us how soft and comfortable this rug is, and it is our favorite shag rug. It's from Living Spaces, and I just think it's a must for any room. So we always try and add a cozy rug wherever we can to make our house feel super cozy. Another major thing that you can do is turn on your lamps and turn off these ceiling lights. They are so overwhelming and bright, they are not adding that cozy feeling we want. So we're going to turn those off and add lamps into our space. I'm going to be putting one on each side of the room to really balance the light and have that warm, intimate feeling in this family room. They give off that dim light that allows your eyes to relax and really adds some visual interest into the space. So I think the more lamps, the better. The one thing that I absolutely need in my home are scented candles, especially the warm scents like vanilla and baked goods. Anything like that just makes your house feel so inviting and comfortable. This one's called Champagne Toast by White Barn, sold at Bath & Body Works, and I think it's amazing. I have it lit in my kitchen, and then I also have my Angel Food Cupcake one lit at my front door, so you can smell it as soon as you walk in, and it smells amazing. I also like to light this whole layered candle display that I have on my dining room table. I think it gives this really beautiful staying at home feeling. All the different flames lit at different heights looks amazing together. So just any candles in general just make your house feel so warm and cozy. And if you are someone that really enjoys candles as much as I do, I love adding the addition of having candlelit lanterns around your home. So I love putting them on my fireplace ledge or any kind of tabletop or surface, even on the floor. I think layered together they look amazing with giant candles inside. It's just another way of having candles lit but kind of more in a dynamic way in your house and adding it in as a design feature. I think they really give off this outdoorsy, rustic kind of feel, and I think that really adds to the coziness of your home, and the inviting warm light that the candle gives off just adds to the whole feel. And the key to a cozy and comfortable sofa is adding layered pillows. A lot of you guys probably already do this, but I love adding pillows of all different shapes and textures. So all the pillows on this sofa here all have a different look to them. They all have a different fabric and color and texture. So I just love the way that all looks together. And I continued the same thing into my family room. So this is our family room sectional, and I used pillows that are a lot softer, bigger, more plush, because we spend a lot more time in here. So I wanted something really soft and comfortable and that actually really goes off the rug in this room. I think they look so cute together and really add that cozy feeling into this sectional. And the last thing I recommend doing to add coziness into your home is add throw blankets along with those throw pillows onto your sofas. So the layered duo of the pillow and the blanket really allow you to cuddle up and be cozy on your couch. I love working with these soft, bold textures like this faux fur on this plush couch, because now we have all these different textures going on in one room. We have the soft blanket, the soft pillows, the shag rug. All of it is just adding a warm, cozy feeling into this room and really making it inviting and comfortable for everyone. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it inspires you guys to add your little cozy features around your house. I think it makes such a big difference when decorating and totally turns your house into a home. It's always the little things that really take your house to the next level, and implementing all these little cozy features around your house are really gonna make your family and friends and even yourself feel so much more comfortable in your space. So if you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button for me. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys turn my notifications on so you guys never miss a video. I have some really big upcoming videos, so make sure you guys are here for that, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!